So this is subject one of the open elective for your choice subject is in seventh semester is automotive engineering, and this in human revolution one of the biggest revolution, what is the biggest invention happened is nothing but the transportation system. Today whichever the place where we can go in with some minutes or some hours, it is possible only due to the progression happens in our transmission system. So in this subject we study about the what are the principal parts of automotive, and we'll study about the working transmission systems like brakes, clutch, gear, other systems. Then we study about the what are different fuel injection systems are there, and finally we're going to study about the emission standards. So first module will go is to study about the engine components and its principal parts. Mainly we study about what are the different parts in the spark ignition engine, compression ignition engine, what is meant by piston, liners, connecting rod, what are its function, which material it is made of, why it is most of the things we are making of aluminium, what is the reason for that, and why walls are made of some different coatings. Then we study about the combustion chambers. Then we are going to study about the different concept, new concept like homogeneous charge compression ignition engine concept, hybrid engines, twin spark ignition concept, like new concept. You can see the in vehicle they will put DTSI engine, ATFT technology, ASF technology, different technology they will put. So that about that technology we'll study about, and finally we'll give a little glimpses of electric car, how the conventional car to electric car, how the shift will occur, and then model one second part will study the cooling and lubrication system, what are the cooling requirements and types of cooling. About this we are going to study in the model one. And model 2 will study about the transmission system, like what are different types of clutches are there, gears are there. In the olden days or previous cars, if you can see, only we have the manual gear shifting option. But nowadays, all the cars, most of the cars comes with both option, manual as automatic. So gear automatically can shift depending on the speed, it will shift. So there is both having some advantages and disadvantages with the manual as well as automatic. Then we're having the brake system. So how the brake system is working, about this we're going to study, and next we'll study about the model 4. We study about the steering system and suspension system. Steering is very important to wherever we part to try. Steering system is important, and suspension, without suspension we can't sit in vehicle for a half kilometer also, because depending on the road condition it will suspension system which absorbs the shock, otherwise if it directly absorbs whatever the road shocks is transferred to you, you will not survive. Your all bones will break it. So that's why that's the importance of suspension system. Then we're going to study about different ignition system, maybe electro ignition system, magneto ignition system, different ignition system we are going to study. And model 4, we are going to study about the superchargers, turbochargers, what are the advantages, what are disadvantages, when we require to go for the superchargers, about this we are going to study. And model 4, second part is very important for us fuels, because we are currently see there is a lot of continuous rise in fuel price because there is a lot of demand and supply gap is there. So we have to look after the alternatives other than petrol and diesel, which fuels we can use it. Then final module will study about the emission control methods like catalytic converters and what are the different emission standards. So about these all things we are going to study in this semester. Hope this will be very useful for you. For your whatever, if you are very interested in related to automotive, automobile vehicles, this subject will be a lot of interesting part. Thank you.